Hi guys, welcome to another brand new video of Tech BOYA. Are you in a confusion to buy a mic? Do you think of BOYA by-M1? If your answer either of these questions is yes, then you can watch it. After watching this video, you can take a decision. Let's move to the video. Here we go. If you're here in Tech BOYA for the first time, just hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for watching all the videos and getting all notifications. This is the box of BOYA by-M1. I bought it from Flipkart and I paid rupees 899. Its price varies from 800 to 1200 in different times. Anyway, I got it for 899. Thank you, Flipkart. Let's open it. Then let's talk about it. This is the brand box of BOYA by-M1. Now let's see what inside it. I got a black bag from it. It's leather. Of course, it has a premium look. I think our mic and all other things are inside this. Let's see. This is the major part of our mic, and the cord, mic, everything is here. I got another small plastic packet from it, and it has, I think it is lapel clip. Yeah, it is lapel clip that is to fix on our shirts or t-shirts when we speak, and I think we can fix it on the top of our mic. I think here it is. Yeah, we can easily fix that clip here on the top of that mic. We have a foam screen in it, and we can easily fix it at the mouth of this mic. And we have one battery inside it, that is LR44 battery that we have to put inside this power module. Finally, we have one extra connector in this packet that we can use to connect to any amplifier or any such devices. So these are the total items inside the BOYA by-M1's box. This is the power module of this mic, and we have to do two things with this device. The first thing is that we can see one switch that you have to turn to camera if you're using a camera, or if you're using your smartphone, you can just turn it off position. That's off or smartphone in the lower position, and the other one is for camera. The second thing that you have to do with this power module, that you have to open it and you have to insert the battery. Now let's check the clarity and the quality of the voice with this mic. I have done a small test with this mic. Now let's move to the test. Hi guys, you are watching Tech BOYA and you are listening to BOYA by-M1's voice test. Now I am talking directly to my camera without the mic. Now let's listen the same voice with this mic, BOYA by-M1. Hi guys, you are watching Tech BOYA and you are listening to the voice test of BOYA by-M1. Now you are listening to my voice from this mic. Do you feel any difference between this voice and that voice? If you feel, that's by-M1. I've made many voice tests with this mic, and if I include all those videos here, it will result in a long video. So I'll just summarize the things. The first one, I kept my camera in a distant position and I checked the voice clarity and quality with mic and without mic. In that case, no doubt our BOYA by-M1 proves its quality. The second one, I tested the voice quality in a closed room. When I use this BOYA by-M1 mic, I feel it can reduce the echo of the room to 20 to 30 percentage, maybe average 30 percentage echo can be reduced by using this mic. The third point, maybe the final. When I use this mic, I feel we can reduce the voice strain. If you are taking a long video for a long time, we have to struggle a lot with our throat. So we can avoid such a kind of voice strain when we use this mic. Even if we speak in a low voice, it gives a good voice output. Guys, if you are a regular video maker and you would like to improve your voice clarity and quality than your present status, you can definitely buy BOYA by-M1. It's worth to 1K. Definitely go for it. Wait, before leaving from this video, please give your feedback as your comments, and if you are here in Tech Piazza for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for getting new videos and notifications up to date. Okay then, let's meet on next video. Till then, bye from Tech Piazza.